Holy snap, crackle, and pops.
Pocket Theory.
What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. What are we talking about today? Well, we got a box in the mail from our good friends at Tacray. We got to find out what's inside. I think it might be a new knife.
Stick around.
It's all in the reflexes.
Medic!
Don't you stick that knife in your leg.
Knife. That's a knife.
Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe.
What's in the box?
This is the TIRAN ZDP-189 ultra-thin titanium handle folding knife from Tacray. It was released on July 15th of this year. It is currently available on the Tacray website only, and the price is $159.99. Let's rip this box open and see what it looks like. Tacray is a company specializing in the design and manufacture of high-quality titanium EDC gear. They were established in 2013, and they are committed to creating durable and lightweight and reliable products for EDC enthusiasts, professionals, and collectors. Tacray was founded in 2013, and they are known for their utilization of CNC technology. Of course, Tacray reached out and asked if they could send me a knife, and I said, "Give me all you got! Give me all you got!" They were nice enough to send me this knife for free. Let's pop this guy open and see. Are you guys ready? Are you ready to see this? That is definitely futuristic. Hold on a second. Just had to wipe a little oil off of this bad guy. That's not uncommon for a brand new knife out of the box, but holy shit. Pocket Theory, look at this knife. I'm gonna get this out of the way just so you can see what's happening here. This is absolutely ridiculous. I feel like I am holding something from the future. This feels like an artifact from the movie Tenet that somebody sent back from the future to warn me about the impending apocalypse. Are you guys ready for a first flip? Oh! Look how smooth that... Oh my gosh. Holy snap, crackle, and pops. This feels like a pocket knife Darth Vader might pull out of his back pocket and stab you with if he couldn't find his lightsaber. This definitely feels very sci-fi, very cyberpunk. Tacray written on the clip. I'm not sure how I feel about that. That's kind of big and bold. I would almost prefer if this was completely blacked out. I don't know how I feel about that logo being so bright on the clip, but that's a minor gripe so far. My first impression of this knife is that this is just straight fire. This is absolutely gas. It's super duper thin. Look at this blade geometry. Look at this ridiculous shit. There's like angles on angles on angles. Look at this tip. Look at that tanto tip. That's a very interesting tip. You feel like you could actually stab somebody with a tanto. The ergonomics are fantastic. Yeah, there is a lanyard hole back here, but I don't think I would need a lanyard on a knife this big. It fits my hand pretty well. I have to say the titanium alloy is machined very nicely. It's got a super smooth button lock. I mean, that just guillotines closed pretty easily. I did speak to my good buddy Brian over at BEEDC. If you're not already subscribed at BEEDC, get your ass over there and subscribe. I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video. He told me that you are not supposed to spine whack the shit out of a button lock knife, so I'm just gonna give it a good tap, and it survives that test very well. This is ZDP-189 blade steel with a DLC coating. Let's talk for a moment about ZDP-189 steel. ZDP-189 is a steel manufactured by Hitachi. If that name sounds familiar to you, that's because Hitachi is a very large Japanese multinational conglomerate with a variety of business interests. When I was a kid, Hitachi made electronics. Now apparently they do all kinds of stuff. Knife Steel Nerds did a very interesting write-up comparing this and Cowry-X. I will link that article in the description. Apparently, the most intriguing thing about ZDP-189 is that it has a very high obtainable hardness. From what I gather, it's a pretty decent steel. There's no real complaints about it other than it may not be quite as stainless as true stainless steel, meaning like if you're looking for something that is corrosion resistant, 189 might not be the perfect option, but it does get very high hardness ratings, and apparently it is very easy to sharpen. This is a grade 5 titanium handle with a black tie coating. It's machined from aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy for exceptional strength to weight ratio. It's got this crazy reverse tanto profile, button lock, and a thumb stud. It also has an ambidextrous dual-sided pocket clip, so all you lefties out there, you can switch the pocket clip to the other side. The weight on the TIRAN is 85 grams, which is approximately 3 ounces for all you former weed dealers out there. 7.9 inches when fully open. The blade is 3.5 inches. The handle is 4.4 inches. How does it look in a pouch or as part of a kit? Guys, I got news for you. It looks dope as fuck as part of an all-black kit. I mean, dude, you don't even need the pocket clip in the Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch. It just slips right in. Look how thin this guy is. Of course it's going to fit easily in a pouch. This is going to make a pretty cool addition to a blackout EDC kit or a futuristic kit if somebody is building one. This definitely feels like science fiction. Will it cut? Will it kill? Well, I'll give it the thumb test, and Jesus, that definitely feels pretty sharp. What do you say we give it the old slicey? Oh my God, wow. Cut through the paper like butter. Let's see how it does on the cardboard. Oh, very nice from the tip, very nice in the body, very, very smooth. Look at those edges, man. Nice, clean cutting. Will it cut the paracord? 1 loop, easily. 2 loops, easily. And 3 loops. Absolutely no problem whatsoever. Damn, that is a clean cutting knife. Do you have gear that you want evaluated or showcased on our channel? Send it to Suds, care of Pocket Theory at P.O. Box 447, Del Valle, Texas, 78617. You won't be disappointed. Just to give you a nice size check, this is what it looks like compared to a Benchmade bug out. You can see overall it's a little bit longer, but generally just about the same size, and I can tell you, not much heavier, believe it or not. This is pretty lightweight. You don't even need the thumb stud. You can flip it open with the button lock. You can swing it shut very easily. Opening and closing is not a problem at all. When you look at the knife from the top down, there is absolutely zero play on this knife. There is no movement at all. You can even grab the tip all the way out there. There is no movement, no play at all. As far as blade centering is concerned, if you take a look at this knife from the top, you will see it is pretty well centered. As far as hits and misses are concerned, I have to say the geometry of this knife is very intriguing to me. This is not exactly the kind of thing I would normally carry. The blade geometry is pretty sick. I do like the machining on the titanium handle. I do like the very, very thin design on this knife. Like, that's super thin. This is obviously going to disappear into whatever a pocket, a pouch, a bag, whatever you put it into. If I had to level one major criticism at this knife, it would definitely be the Tacray logo on the clip. I'm just not a fan of the way it looks. The letters pop out too bright. If this was an all blackout knife, I think it would be way cooler. That is a minor complaint. The action is very smooth. It's easy to open and close. The materials are great. I actually think for $160, this is a pretty good value knife. And I definitely really like this tanto tip. It's a very stabby tanto tip. This knife is going to be perfect for somebody who is looking for an all black edition for an all black EDC kit. Somebody who's looking for a knife that they can carry on Titanium Tuesday. Somebody who is also just looking for a cyberpunk sci-fi vibe. Somebody who is also into tanto tips, because I think this is kind of a unique looking blade as far as the geometry is concerned. So I definitely think that there is an individual out there who is going to love this knife. My final vibe check is, honestly, I still think as far as looks are concerned, this knife is just absolute gas. I mean, look at this thing. It looks like, the future. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you're looking for a titanium folder, specifically something all black that would make a lovely addition to your all black EDC kit, you might want to go to the Tacray website and check out the TIRAN. When it comes to EDC folding knives, just remember, think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.